Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Wednesday, the 10th of January 2024. It is the official day of the ETF decision after the craziness that happened yesterday. No need to go into that. We saw what happened. And yeah, we're back to kind of, well, actually even lower than where we started yesterday. So yeah, market looking a little bit weird because of everything that happened yesterday. However, there is a little plan for myself, certain levels that I am looking at, so I will go over those in this video. First of all, Bitcoin, yeah, obviously when we got the fake news from last night, Bitcoin then coming up to take out that 2022 yearly high to take the liquidity above those highs. Now, it did this on perps exchanges, but not on spot. So if we do get some real news, then it would be realistic to expect that spot price comes and takes these highs as well. After that, price dropped down and came back into what was essentially the POC of this range that we had previously. Okay, so there's two things that I'm really looking for today. If we zoom in on this a little bit and we make it look a bit more like this, then I have two main levels of interest. First of all, market's looking a little bit heavy. Okay, so we got that spike up, spike down, unable to get back inside value from yesterday. So therefore, that leads me to believe that we are going to see a move down throughout the day here. And what I would be essentially looking for is just to take out the wick low, because whereas the high was pretty different across all exchanges, the lows were relatively consistent. Okay, basically coming back in to take out these lows here, and I'll show you in just a second. There were a big cluster of liquidations at that level, and this is where a ton of stops got hit, a ton of liquidations got hit, and then we got that bounce afterwards. So what we often see when these wicks happen is they are likely to get filled, and we do have confluence down there. Okay, so if we take out this wick low, what we've got just below there, around about that 44,400 to 44,200 is the yearly VWAP. So once again, zoom out, this anchored VWAP coming from the start of the year, obviously getting that big move up and down on the second, and it's just been chilling out, gradually rising. So if we do get this move down over the next few hours, then we do have that yearly VWAP. What we've also got just below there, if it does do, and what we quite often see is when these VWAPs get tested, you see consolidation underneath if it is going to be something that reverses. We've got the weekly open down there at 43,940. So that's where I would be looking to take long positions. If we are looking at shorts, then we have the NPOC from yesterday. Okay, so you can see here, point of control. This is the volume and the time point of control from yesterday, around about that 46,750. Some exchanges might be 46,700. Some might be 46,800, but yeah, roughly 46,750, that POC. And then we're coming up to these equal highs. So you've got the value area high up there as well. So if there is to be a move up, I would imagine that that would be an opportunity to go short. Just basically thinking that the high isn't probably likely to get taken at this stage. I think the low is looking a bit more likely. However, if we do get a move up towards here, then we could come down, and then we can maybe look at something like this later on. Alternatively, we're looking at down, we're looking at up, and then returning to value from then on. What we also have up there, of course, is confluence, draw a golden pocket from the high to the low, and that is lining up with your 618 there. So yeah, relatively straightforward. Fixed range also giving you that POC from yesterday. So looking for a little bit more downside. Okay, what we have here, this yellow line, is the 230-minute EMA. All right, that is the 200, right? It is the 200. So this is the 30-minute 200 EMA. And if you're looking on the 4-hour also, and we look at the 50 EMA, we can see that that wick down from yesterday is where there was a little bit of extra confluence for any support there. So yeah, keeping it relatively simple. These are the main two levels for the day. Nothing too much more to update on with that. If you like the video, please hit the like, hit subscribe, do all of those things. Comment below, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Probably will be another live stream later on, because yeah, something's going to happen. The ETF news is most likely to happen after the New York market closes, but it could happen at any time. So be vigilant and be safe. And I'll see you all again very soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.